What's up, boys? Welcome back to a new video on the Decathlon channel. Today 500 coins in the balance as usual. So yeah, if you guys just from website, go to the top, go to deposit, have my code in here. Decathlon all caps. We get a 5% bonus this site. Yeah, but my leaderboard is live. It's 500 coins. It ends in 6 days. So hop on that. I'd really appreciate if you did. Yeah, I'm live on Kick every day. My website is live right now. It's decatgambles.com. Go for that. And yeah, boys, let's get into the video. We'll start off 3v3. We'll do my case, Logan, and Gumbo. 166 coins to start off. Oh my god. Fucking hell, bro. Yeah, it's worse. It's worst. Nothing's paying for us, bro. I can't get a win, boys. Can't get a win. Just can't get a win, boys. Oh my god, bro. Oh my fucking god. Fucking 1k, bro. Fuck me. We're joining this battle. Fuck it. Lost as well. Bro, I can't even win anymore. Come on, please. Just win. I'm so depressed because I just lost so much money. But it's all good. We make it back. We can't. Fuck my life. Time to go all in. Boom, 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 boom. 125, 125, 125, 125. We'll do a bigger one. Fuck it. Biba. We'll do based. Alright, boys. This has to pay. I'm not gonna redepo again. Last time. Say. Thanks. Be a gold, come on. Nice, good shit. How much is that? 700, 400? 370. Fuck. Come on, based. Good shit, man, good shit. Okay, nice. How much? Okay, 100 and... Oh, fuck, that's a lot. Bosh. Bang, 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 boys. We're back. We're back to break even. Again. So, we'll do 3-way crazy mode. We'll do some bigger ones this time. 177. 3-way crazy mode. Come on. Okay. GG. GG. $300. Yeah, it's over. It's over. Okay, I have to go all in now. Alright, boys. All in. 300 coins. Show us some nice, please. Create some mode. So bottom side pulse. That's really fucking bad. That's fine. Okay. Alright, casket hits. What's something nice here? It's not very good. 300. Got a monkey. Okay. I'm Spencer. Come on, bottom side, please. Okay. My guess. Did we even win that? I bought the pick. Fucking hell, I paid so bad. 60 coins. Fuck. 1%. 3 of these, 2 of these. We'll do float, weapon rifle, catacombs. We'll do some 10%. We'll do me Ford addicted. No, it's too risky. Robson, hyper, addicted. Can afford those too. Can afford that one, bruv. Can't afford that either, bruv. Can't afford that one either, bruv. Biba. Okay, 2v2 boys. All in again, basically. 20 coins left. Show us something big. Come on. 1% case. Yeah, in this case, it's fucking massive. Fucking bait, bro. Come on. Don't be dead, don't be dead, don't be dead. It's fucking dead, boys. Float, please. Biba, please. Bro, what the fuck is this bottle, bro? The fuck off this shit. Dude, through fucking crazy mode. Alright, this one's the fucking new case. Just trying it out. Okay. How much is that? 100? 90. Fuck. Keep fucking hitting. Right side, please hit last case. I had a fucking rain spin. Fuck my life. Ah, boys. It's fucking over. Yeah, that's how it goes. Alright, boys. That's the end. Hope you guys fucking enjoyed. Probably didn't. It's shit. I'm depressed. I'll see you guys next one. Use my code on site. Like it says, leaderboard's live. See you guys tomorrow. So.